Jack and Jill are very different sisters. While Jack sits indoors, Jill is playing in the garden. She's getting all muddy. But wait, by getting muddy, Jill is getting several health benefits too. The soil microorganisms are training her immune system to recognize and fend off future infections. Training her immune system like this also lowers her risk of suffering asthma, eczema, and allergies. Getting regular exercise and being outdoors lowers her risk of obesity, diabetes, and depression too. Now that you know the benefits, Jack, why don't you get outdoors too? The more you can get outdoors with your children, the better. It's great for all the family. Just be sure to wash your hands before cooking or eating.